like a GTR, but I'd say this shit sound close, bro. Just without the turbos, bro, the boost. So I'm just saying, bro, when I put this supercharger on, bro, it's about to sound insane. I'm already calling it, bro. Sounds so good even with the windows rolled up. Shit. I hold the GoPro in my mouth, I can't see shit. I think that 0 to 60 was, bro, and it's wet outside. Yeah, you know the alignment good when you don't have to go touch the steering wheel. Yeah, we don't run out of coins around here, gang. Yeah, ready for some revs though. And we still got some here too. Peep gang, VQ family. Sparkly now. Got the door handles as well too, carbon fiber. Oh, and I'm doing a giveaway too, gang. I got a lot of shit to give away, so get me to 1,000 subs, man. I'm also giving away these taillights when I get to 1,000 subs because I'm getting custom taillights. They should be here in a couple days. Show y'all those soon. And I am giving away a couple side skirts and some front lips. I'm giving away my old rims. I'm giving away a couple shit, man. So just get me to 1,000 subs, man, and I'm gonna get y'all a little couple goodies that I had on this car. You know what I mean? And that's it, VQ family. I hope y'all enjoyed this little short video, man. And as always, like and subscribe. As always, like and subscribe, gang.